nation. No donation, no salvation.
And remember, respect is everything.
Okay, people, we are back. And today we're going to look at this giant gelatinous mess of cherry-flavored goodness. That's right. We're going to look at this giant gummy bear. Now, for the sake of decency, I've removed this stick that it was on from its anus because, we're a clean channel. We're not entirely or complete degenerates here. So, for the sake of simplicity, I've removed this stick that it came with. But I'm actually going to keep this because it's a very nice, sturdy little stick thing. So I'm going to clean that up later and see what uses I can get out of it. But yes, this is I don't even know how to explain this thing. It's so dense and it's just like, it's ridiculous. And we're going to eat it because I'm insane. So yeah, I'm going to eat this gummy bear and see how much of it I can go through before I start puking my guts out. Because I don't know why. I just thought this would make a great video because of the fact that it's a giant freaking gummy bear. Well, what should we name him? We'll name him, what do we name him? We'll name him Mick. So, this is going to be the last we're ever going to see of Mick, the giant red gummy bear. Alright, where do we start? I guess we'll start with his head. God, it's just so gelatinous, and it's just, I don't know how to explain this. Whatever, we'll start with the ears, and then we'll work our way to the lower body and see how far we can get through this thing without dying. Oh my god. It's so dense. I could barely bite into it. Goodness. Well, that's one ear successfully annihilated. Let's take out the next one. Ah. For the sake of safety, I would recommend do not try to eat this in one sitting, like I am doing right now. Especially in large chunks. Good lord. Let's see. Well, we've successfully lobotomized him. Alright. Bite number 3, I think. You know, once you get past how dense it is, it's honestly not that bad. But I can guarantee you it's probably not that good for you either. Like I said, I would not recommend eating this in one sitting. Good lord, what have I gotten myself into? Bite number 4, here we go. Ah. I would also recommend chewing. Because the last thing you need is unnecessary constipation. And let's see. Well, we've successfully decapitated him. Let's see how much farther we can go with this. Here, to keep my Transformers fans entertained, here's Pipes. And, yeah. Really, I should have grabbed Ratchet because he's the one I'm probably going to need after this thing. Mmm. I can safely confirm after this video, I'm probably going to take a massive hiatus from gummy snacks for at least a month. Good Lord, how much do we got left? Yeah, we got like, I guess I'd call that like maybe 75%. Here we go. Mmm. Oh my God. I can literally feel my teeth just rotting away. Like seriously, every bite is just so like, it's literally pulling my teeth. I'm definitely brushing my teeth after this if I don't puke my guts out. Alright, what bite are we on? I haven't got a clue. Let's just finish him off. Context. mm. Mm. My God. If I ever buy another one of these, I am not eating it in one sitting. Like, it's not that I'm getting full, it's just, it's so dense. Like, biting into it, I can literally feel my teeth just getting, like, I can just feel them, like, getting yanked out of my jaw. It's horrific. The problem is, this nasty thing is delicious. Alright, what is this? Bite number 8. I have no clue. I've already lost count. I don't care. Ew, what's with the texture? By the way, it's very sticky if you haven't noticed. Oh my God. At least he stands up straight now. With half his body gone. You know what's funny? This reminds me of one of the executions from the game Among Us. I don't know why. I thought that was amusing. Oh boy. I'm gonna need a paramedic after this one. Good Lord. Problem is, I like this nasty thing. Mm. Mm. Good Lord. Just be thankful that you're not Pipes right now, having to witness this tragedy. In regards to LEGO Transformer videos, I have no clue when the next one's coming out. I'll probably film one right after this. That's if I don't feel like I'm about to keel over and die, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see. We got about maybe half, a little bit of a torso and 2 legs left. Let's see if we can muscle through this one. Mm. It'll be a miracle if I don't get diabetes after this review. If I can even call this, I don't even know what this is. I just decided to film me eating a giant gummy bear because I'm psychotic. Nah, I'm not going to try and eat that whole thing. I'm just going to take one more bite. Oh, screw it. I already ate the whole thing. Mm-hmm. This was the greatest idea ever. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Mmm. Good God. That was delicious. But I'm definitely going to brush my teeth after this, right after I down some water, because good God, I'm never eating cherry flavored gummy bears again, at least not for a long time. Well, I hope you all enjoyed my pain and suffering, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's take one last good look at Pipes before I keel over and die.
Hallelujah! Another soul saved!